What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Monday, February 26th, and I got another day trading video for everybody out there. This is what the market looked like when I opened up NinjaTrader this morning. Again, I'm on the S&P 500, 2,000 interval chart, and yeah, this is what This is what it looked like coming on. You can see around market open, it looked like we had a nice healthy-ish looking uptrend. I kind of read this wrong, I guess. I was reading this as a wider uptrend, but I think it was more skinnier, and then we had a break in the uptrend. Well, we had maybe an overshoot, and then a break, and move to a new high. And I read it wrong because I was actually confused for the majority of the rest of the time because I was waiting to get a new extreme for the uptrend, but it literally never didn't, and it just didn't happen the entire time. So, but after the new high, after we got the new high for the channel, because it is an overshoot. I don't know why I made my channel so wide, but we definitely had an overshoot, and then moved to a new high, and now the market's kind of going into a correction phase it looks like, and I couldn't find any trades. I was honestly confused at this point in time. So whenever I'm confused during my trading time, I just don't touch it. Don't touch it, and just let the market do what it's gonna do. You can't force anything. You can't try to what's it called? You just can't risk it, because if you risk it, you end up losing it all like that. So it's always good to just err on the side of caution whenever you're confused, and don't just enter trades willy-nilly, because you will get messed up. But you can see, though, I'm confused, but I'm still constantly finding these little small channels, right? Still looking to see what was going on. We needed a new low for the downtrend channel, and then I had this uptrend channel, and then I thought about going long, but then I realized that's not a good idea. Just stay out of it. We didn't end up getting a second entry long, but it should have been a failure, but ended up going higher and reversing. So people might have got stumped out on that one. Would have been a good setup to take usually, but trading's not 100%, so it is what it is. I didn't take it. I didn't take it, but it is what it is. Then I realized maybe it might be congesting going into a little bit of a range, so I had this initial smaller range made, and then just kind of going off of that, constantly trying to analyze the situation, reassess what's going on, because with trading, it's not really common sense. You have to think outside the box, really. You have to really use your noggin and analyze what the hell's going on. And it's just a waiting game, guys. It really is. You just really have to be patient and just bide your time and wait for the right setups to come your way. So I was gonna take a triple test here off this congestion, but again, the bars just didn't line up, and I just didn't like how it was setting up. Had that made a better bar, I probably would have entered that. But just go looking at the bars based off what happened. It's good that I didn't, because I would have been screwed. Then what I'm starting to realize is maybe we have a bigger channel trading range in play. So that's when I widened my trading range channel, and come to find out that actually works a lot better. And it works a lot better, and I honestly saw a setup. I thought it was going to be a decent setup, but I was just too hesitant on the bar. I thought the bar was too big, I don't know. I just shied away from it. But I traded on the sim, and it worked out quite well for an easy scalp. Um, so yeah, it was interesting today. But you can see the wider channel drawn. Um, Clearly, we got that new low. Um, we have, you know, market likes working in pairs of twos. You can see it going up, boom, 1 2, and then going down. But now we're in this range pattern, and we have one bounce at the bottom there, two bounce, and then you can see the market working lower to try to make that third bounce, and it eventually does go down there and make that third bounce. And I really thought I was so close. You know, it's one of those ones where it's like, oh man, you should have thought about doing it. Just didn't like how the bar was, so I just decided, nah, it ain't for me. I'll let the sim take care of it. But wish I would have entered it because it would have worked out for an easy scalp real quick. But at the end of the day, it's okay. That would have been a great trade, though. I marked it as a triple test. And soon after that, I just got off because there's nothing much else. But that's it, guys, for the day. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't seen the most recent video, I'll leave it here to the left and subscribe it to the right. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. But I'll catch everybody in the next video on Tuesday. Peace.